Breasts grow naturally during puberty, and can change throughout the course of your life. They usually start developing when you're between the ages of 8 and 13, but they can continue to grow into your early 20s, and can change size and shape due to age, weight and pregnancy. Although the size of breasts is mostly determined by your DNA, other factors, such as weight, muscle mass, and age, can affect their appearance. Although the best solution is to wait and give your breasts time to grow, you can also try a few different methods to enhance them naturally. Eating and drinking. Eat healthy fats. Breasts are made of fatty, adipose tissue, so they will not appear until you have gained body fat. Monounsaturated fats are the best choices for increasing breast size. Healthy fats include olive oil, nuts, cheese, avocados, yogurt, and granola. Women who have less than 17% body fat may stop ovulating and menstruation. If you have already gone through puberty, but you are not having regular periods, then raising your body fat in a healthy way will help you to grow breasts and return to normal menstruation and ovulation. Avoid other fats that are unhealthy, like trans fats and saturated fats. These fats usually end up collecting on areas of the body that women want to avoid being fuller, such as thighs, hips, and the stomach. They can also cause other health problems, including high cholesterol. Refrain from consuming processed foods, sugars, and sodas, which may help you put on weight but will certainly lead to other unhealthy conditions. Eat estrogen-rich foods. Estrogen is a potent female sex hormone, which at its proper levels can aid breast growth. Good sources of natural estrogen include pumpkin, garlic, red beans, lima beans, chickpeas, eggplant, flax seeds, and squash. Increase your consumption of soy products. Soy products are high in isoflavones, which can help the body increase its own estrogen levels and promote breast growth. Soy is also rich in protein and can help build and repair damaged tissues in the body. Try soy milk, soy nut butter, etc. to see results. Avoid food rich in testosterone. Testosterone is the male equivalent of estrogen, which decreases breast growth. Avoid carb-rich foods such as chips, crackers, white rice, and baked goods to minimize the production of testosterone in your body. Eat protein. Protein is one of the best ways to make your breasts grow. Try drinking more milk and eating more eggs, peanut butter, lean fish, chicken, and nuts. In any case, you should be trying to eat a well-balanced diet irrespective of whether or not you are trying to make your breast grow faster. If you eat more protein, your curves will be softer. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables help regulate testosterone levels in the body, while the anthocyanins and antioxidants in them further help build healthy tissue and protect against damage from free radicals. Make sure you're getting a minimum of 4 servings a day. Berries, like blueberries, are a good choice because they're high in antioxidants. Dates, cherries, apples, and plums should be included in your meals because they have more estrogen than other foods. Drink a mixture of papaya juice and milk every day. Research has shown that one of the best to improve breast growth is to drink a mixture of papaya juice and milk. Nutrients and vitamins found in these 2 ingredients help plump your breasts, as long as you drink the mixture routinely. Alternatively, you can also eat fresh papaya in lieu of the juice. Here are tips on plants that are not common and have a powerful effect on breast size. The first on the list is the fenugreek seed, originating from Greece. Seeds can be purchased in any herbal pharmacy and should be soaked in water overnight. The second day you should massage your breasts with this water. Greater burdock has long been known by its various beneficial effects. Its consumption increases blood flow to the breast tissue and strengthens the reproductive system. Fennel is not used only for tea for soothing colic in babies, but its ingredients erythritol, diethol, and phytonatol increases the amount of estrogen in the body. As well, it contains phytoestrogens, which stimulates breast growth and increases the production of milk in nursing mothers. Licorice also contains the same ingredients as phenol, so the effect is the same. Anise is a Chinese herb that is used as a seasoning, but the ingredients in it affect breast growth, so you can start to use it more frequently for this purpose. Taking alternative approaches. Massage your breasts. It has been rumored, though remains scientifically unconfirmed, that massaging your breasts daily helps stimulate blood flow to the breasts, and allows natural hormones taken in your diet to reach breast tissue more effectively. In turn, your breasts grow. Stop wearing a bra. A 15-year French study recently reported results that bras cause women's breasts to sag over time. Researchers found that going braless increased the elasticity of the breasts, making them perkier. This study goes against previous reports that bras support women's breasts and fight sagging. The study found that women who never wore bras had nipples, on average 7 mm higher than women who wore bras regularly.